In today's video, we're gonna create slick and elegant glitch transition. This is step-by-step tutorial. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Adrian and I teach shooting, editing and color grading, so tap subscribe if you haven't already and let's begin. Just for the record, I got my glitch transitions pack available on the Ko-fi page, but when I was editing my latest travel video, I was searching for something more subtle and cinematic, couldn't find it in Resolve neither, so I decided to create it from scratch.
You pick up your palette knife, that's it. Yeah, boy.
So yeah, without further ado, let's do it. If you're not into Fusion, you basically don't want to learn it, you can get this exact glitch transition from my Ko-fi page and support my channel at the same time. At the end of this video, I will guide you how to implement it. So as a first step, what we're gonna do is to apply standard cross-dissolve transition from Effects menu, Video Transition, drag and drop between your clips the cross-dissolve transition. Now right-click on the transition, convert to Fusion cross-dissolve. And now in the inspector under Transition tab, click Fusion icon. That will open the transition in Fusion page. What I'm gonna do now is right-click this group node and ungroup it, like that. So what we've got is our clip 1, clip 2, and regular dissolve node, which we're gonna reuse in our glitch transition, and of course media out. Basically, what we will do is to build the glitch effect on top of what we've got so far. Okay, so what I need is a rectangle mask node. I will grab it from here and preview it on the left, so tap 1 on the keyboard. Now I'm gonna resize it a bit so it's more flat. Okay, now in the inspector, right-click the center control and choose Modify Width, Shake. That will enable Modifiers tab, where you will see the Shake modifier on the center control. Let me play it for you and see what it does so far. So as you see, the center parameter is being modified over time, but we need to further customize it in the inspector. So let me decrease the smoothness to minimum and increase random speed to maybe 25,000. And this is how it looks. Now with the rectangle mask node selected, open Selection tool, Shift Space, and search for Duplicate Node and click Add. Make sure you've connected the rectangle mask with the yellow background input. Let me correct that. Tap 1 on the keyboard to preview it. Now with the Duplicate Node selected in the inspector, change copies to 5 and under Jitter tab, change center X and Y. Maybe to something like this. And right-click on the Random Seed control, Modify Width, Anim Curves. That will introduce even more randomness. Obviously, we need to slow it down. To do that, click the Duplicate node and from Selection tool, add Time Speed node. In the inspector, increase the speed to maybe 0.4. Okay, so that will be our final mask. Now we need an instance copy of the Media 2 node, so Ctrl-C, Ctrl-Shift-V, and we need to mask it. So drag the output of the time speed node and connect it with the masked input of Media 2 copy. So if I preview the instance copy, it's nicely masked with the animated mask we've prepared. Okay, next, from the Selection tool, add Channel Booleans node. Let me preview it. In the inspector, you can experiment which settings looks most satisfying for you. In most of the cases, if I set Operation Control to Exclusive OR, it looks really decent. You can play with other controls as well, just be creative and have fun with it. Now we need to merge our glitch composition over Media 2, so drag the output of the Channel Booleans node and drop it on the output of the Media 2 node. That will create a merge node like this. And final step, merge the instance Media 2 over Media 1. And this is it. This Fusion composition is also available on my Ko-fi page. Once you get it, All you need to do is apply cross-dissolve transition, then right-click, convert to Fusion cross-dissolve, right-click again, open in Fusion, delete all the nodes, just select them all, Ctrl-A and tap Delete. From File menu, import Fusion Composition, locate the file with the composition, go back to the Edit page, resize the transition so that Resolve refreshes it, and that's it. Thanks for watching till the end. If you want to support my channel, like this video and leave a random comment. Cheers and see you in the next one.